Shorty fell in love, now she doing all my drugs, young baby in the club, like little mama in my eyesight. She go home with me tonight, we connect like Wi-Fi, yeah, you on the table.
What's up guys, it's Mateo. Welcome back to the channel. So today's gonna be an exciting day. Today I'm putting on a blow-off valve. So that's basically everybody that has a turbo car, they want that turbo noise. So basically that's what the blow-off valve's gonna do. So I'm gonna show you the one I got. Alright guys, so this is the blow-off valve. It's the 007 forged splitter valve. So basically you can do both. You can have the blow-off valve and you can set it to the stock diverter valve. So basically if I don't want the blow-off noise anymore, I can just unscrew this and put this little cap on this side and it'll just turn into the regular diverter valve Volkswagen comes with. So on the top here you can turn this clockwise and counterclockwise, and this basically sets the spring inside. So you adjust the spring to whatever PSI you have on your turbo. So stock Jettas, they normally range around from 7 to 11 PSI. So you turn this 16 clicks clockwise to have it to the stock setting. Alright guys, so this is the stock diverter valve that came with my Jetta. There's nothing wrong with it, it's just I wanted the blow-off noise. So this is what came out, and basically this is what's going in. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you where the blow-off valve goes in the engine bay. Alright guys, so here's the engine bay. It's a little dirty, I know, but I'm going to clean that, don't worry. So this is where the air box is, so all the air's coming in here. And this is the turbo inlet pipe. So basically the blow-off valve is just going to sit just like this. So we have it blocked off right now just so nothing gets into the pipes. So basically that's just going to go right in there, and we're gonna put some hose clamps to hold it down, and basically yeah, it just sits right there. Alright guys, so the valve's finally on. It was fitting really good. It looks really good and it sounds really good, so I'll give you guys a couple revs. Sounds amazing guys. I'm gonna give it a run and show you guys. What's up guys, it's the next day. I just want to give you guys a review on the blow-off valve after a couple days driving it. And yeah, so I'll take you through a day of driving it today, and I'll give you a review on it. Alright guys, so yesterday I drove the car with the blow-off valve on, and the car was fine. I didn't lose power. The blow-off valve was a little quiet, but that's because of the blow-off valve is underneath my engine cover, and the horn that's blowing it off is kind of facing inwards the engine. So I think I'm going to modify it a bit if I don't get the sound that I'm looking for. But all in all, I still hear it a bit, and it didn't affect my engine at all, because there's rumors saying if you put a blow-off valve on a car that has a diverter valve, the engine's not made for it, and you can lose power, you can kind of mess up your engine. But I didn't get an engine light, so everything's good so far. So let's keep our fingers crossed. And you know what guys, it's in the morning. I'm gonna give you a nice cold start. Sorry neighbors, but it's for the channel. are done school now. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Ah, what's going on?
His car's in the shop, boys. We're waiting for it.
Today. I'll be getting it back today too, so.
Yeah. We're waiting for that. Today, don't worry. Yo, you wanna hear that blow off? Come up to the engine. Come. Here, I'll pop it for you. You want to hear the blow off? Okay, ready?
So boys, we out here. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just wait for that airbox to get out of here, man.
Oh yeah, that's
But yo, how you like the blow off?
it's fucking nice, bro. I wish. I'm jealous, bro. I'm jealous. Everybody's car is better than mine. I don't understand. What the hell, man? What the hell? What's with all that?
Yo, it's cold as fuck. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap up the video here. So basically, the blow-off valve's good, no engine lights or anything, so I think I'm gonna reroute it though, try and get some more sound out of it, because right now the horn's kind of blocked by the engine cover. So I might try and stand it up a bit in the engine bay and get some more noise out, get the horn kind of facing outwards. And once I get my cold air on and stuff, more air is gonna go to the blow-off valve and more air to let off. So I'm hoping for more air once I put the cold air in on, and I'll show you guys that install too. So yeah, it sounds pretty good. The cold air should make it sound even better. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy.